Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Today I have a 3 coin, 1 country video. As you can see from this particular coin, it is from Germany, but it isn't West Germany. If you take a look at that central symbol there, it is an East German coin. They're all have a value of 5 marks each, and this one dates from 1977, and it is a coin with the Brandenburg Gate on the back. This is the only coin of the 3. Sorry, it's from 1971, not 1972. This is a coin that does not have any mintage figures that I could find. I think it is a standard 5 mark coin for East Germany for that particular time. Then the next 2 are commemorative coins. Again, on this one we have the East German excuse me, or DDR coat of arms. It is from 1969. It's a 5 mark coin again. On the reverse, we have 2 X's on the top, which is 20, and it's the 20th anniversary of the DDR coming into existence. So it's a 1969 coin, as I said. You have the value also on the bottom, and you have the 2 year dates, 1949, 1969, on the coin itself. It celebrates the 20th anniversary of the forming of the DDR. The mintage for this particular coin, which is a commemorative, is 18,137,882. The final coin, again, has the coat of arms of the DDR. It has the value on the front as well. This is the 1972 coin. On this side you have the coat of arms and the actual date and the year. On here we have the cathedral, and it's the cathedral at Dom and Alsburg, and that's Alsechsburg. And I dare say if Mikey's seeing this and Eurocoin Hunter, he will absolutely slaughter me for my pronunciation. The mintage of this 5 mark coin from 1972 is 10,199,353. These 3 coins are good. These are ones that I've been wanting to get hold of for a while. Not these particular coins, but what they represent. I've wanted some coins from East Germany for a while, and these 3 5 mark coins are the start of my slightly higher value section of coins from East Germany. It was a very limited time period, no more than 50 years, or 50 odd years. Was it 1949 to 2000? 1949 to 1999, something like that. So it's about a 50-year existence of the DDR. So I am interested in coins from that Soviet-led era of this particular country. So, have you enjoyed this video? If you have, could you please give me a thumbs up? It doesn't actually cost you anything. Also, I'm currently on 301 subscribers, which we're in the middle of March. I think it's 15th of March today. And I am looking at hitting a target of 425 by the end of this year. It's going to take a bit of a doing, but it's a target I would really like to achieve, and I think it's gettable. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, then I hope you can buy the coins you want for the price you want to pay. I do a minimum of 5 and usually 6 videos a week at this point, so hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy watching. And finally, before I sign off, thank you for watching and staying to the end, and from me until we meet up again, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future. Until then, from me, bye bye. Ta-da now.